Hi, everyone. I am Sherry Murphy with Coldwell Banker Realty with the business highlight of the week. And today we are highlighting GRA. This is the Mazzarese and Dejesus team. So thanks for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Thanks. So y'all are in-house lenders.
Right.
So we've gotten to know each other really well and everything. But so first, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself? That's
Sure. So I've been lending for about 28 years now.
okay.
Only thing I've done since I graduated college.
Oh, wow.
Graduated with a biology and chemistry degree. Went to Illinois after that and had a mortgage bank for about 10 years. Sold it and moved here to Texas.
Oh, my goodness. So no other job, just
No,
mortgage.
just mortgages.
Wow. An experienced guy. Jamie, how about you?
Yeah, so I have actually been in the industry just about 18 years at this point.
Okay.
Kind of fell into this business. I joke because I'm a prior service United States Marine. Marines were born in a bar. My career was born in a bar. I met a trader down in Murphy-Bort down in New York.
I love that.
And just kind of stuck. I've done everything in this business from trading the mortgage-backed securities. So very knowledgeable around that, and obviously origination.
Yeah. Well, awesome. And thank you for your service, by the way.
Thank you.
So we talked about how you got into the business and everything, but I'm going to throw a question at you, and I actually have had people cry on this one. What's your most memorable experience with a client? Vince, I'll let you go first.
We have a lot of experience with first-time home buyers. And we get a lot of those that are truly thankful, when you get them approved to get them into a home, especially the ones where we do some credit repair for, which we do. When they don't think that there's anyone that's going to get them in a house, they don't have the money, we get them down payment assistance. We make their dream come true. So we have lots of memorable experiences and not just one.
Yeah, that's awesome. Jamie, how about you?
Yeah, so I actually have a recent one, but I agree that the first-time home buyers are very special to us. Just had one this past week that we closed. It was a veteran who got declined at another financial institution, and unfortunately, that financial institution just didn't have the expertise that we have around veterans loans. We were able to do a manual underwrite and actually close that manual underwrite in 15 days, which is
Wow.
kind of unheard of and when it comes to manuals.
Yes.
But we were able to strategically work through structuring that deal and providing a service and creating a lifelong experience for that customer.
That's awesome. I mean, in 15 days, that's unheard of in our industry. So that's awesome, especially on a VA loan. So what makes your team and GRA stand out among other mortgage companies and teams?
Well, I think that's the beauty behind it, because we are truly a team. You get two for the price of one, so to speak. And plus, we share all the same resources. So it creates an environment where we truly have a streamlined process, and we create experiences for the customer so that we create clients for life in that process. It is a true collaboration. It's not something that, hey, one's better than the other, or we're fighting against each other. No, we truly are collaborating through each other's process.
That's awesome. So you have a lot of different programs. Are there any specialty programs that you can help buyers with, or renovation loans or anything like that maybe they're not aware of that they can do?
So we do renovation loans where people can buy homes and take the money out at the time of purchase to do the remodel if they'd like to. We also do reverse mortgages. So for our older clients that don't want to have a mortgage payment, we do renovation refinances. So if you currently own a home and you want to pull money out, we can do that as well. Our VA loans are a big sell. We do not charge our veterans any bank closing costs. So as a lender, we charge no underwriting, no processing fees, nothing. We do them absolutely for free.
That's awesome. Thank you for doing that, because I know the veterans really appreciate that too. So we've been in a really volatile market lately. Where do you see the market going and things like that?
Yeah, I mean, so again, knowing the expertise of being a trader once upon a time on the exchange, economists are saying that rates will start to go down. I mean, it's been an average trend when you start to look back at history. We go through these ebbs and flows where we go through some type of recession, and as the numbers start to get better, interest rates start to get better alongside inflation numbers. Um, so looking at the current market, though, we are living in a higher interest rate market, but it's becoming the new norm for the
Right.
customers.
Sure.
What we are telling our customer base as well, that there are other products to temporarily reduce your interest rate. And we have buy down options. We have a 2-1 buy down, a 3-2-1 buy down, and some ones that kind of are in between that as well, where that can help to reduce your interest rate for the first 2-3 years. And then in turn, we actually service that loan, and we can transition when it makes sense for you to refinance that property.
Right.
We can transition those monies to your next transaction.
Okay. And if they were to refinance, do something like that and then refinance 3-4 years down the road, is it going to cost them anything, or can you roll that into the loan? Or
You can roll that into a loan. So any closing costs will be rolled into the loan.
okay, so literally they could refinance their loan without coming to the
Out of
table,
pocket with
out of pocket
Right.
cost.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Perfect. Well, I want to invite you guys back for another
Yeah, we'd love to.
interview, because I want to really kind of dive deep into like the renovation loans and the reverse mortgage. I think a lot of people need to know about the reverse mortgage, because the population is,
Right.
there's a big section of it that's growing older, so that can probably benefit them. So so if anybody wanted to reach out to you for advice, mortgage, refinance, how would they get in contact with you guys?
Yeah, so you can reach out to me, Jaime Dejesus. My phone number is 214-727-3880, or you can go to my website, dejesushomeloans.com.
You can reach me, Vince Mazzarese, on my cell phone number, which is 817-751-8508, or on my website, which is VMAZZARESE@ymail.com.
Awesome. And guys, they've been wonderful. They answer questions for me all the time. They serve my clients very well. And again, my philosophy is much like theirs. We serve our clients and go over and above and beyond and create clients for life. So it's a great team. And I invite you to please give them a call if you have any questions or looking to purchase or refinance.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
There you go. See you next time.